Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 PaperMatte without password. Okay, but I will tell you in the beginning that please only try to unlock your device, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime, and that's also unethical. Also, I will tell you that in both methods that I'm about to show you, we have to restore our device into the factory settings, and it will cause that all of our data will be unfortunately deleted. So that's the only way. But if you don't want to lose your data, you can always try to go into the authorized center with the proof of purchase and there look for help. Okay, but now let's begin. As a first method, I'll show you how we can remotely erase our device using the HUAWEI Cloud. But if you want to use it, your device needs to have Find My Device feature enabled. When it's locked, you won't be able to do it right now, but if you have that option, let me show you what we can do. We can, from our device of course, log into the HUAWEI Cloud site, and there we can remotely erase our device. I'll show you that. In my case, I will do it on the PC, so I'll see you on my desktop. Okay, so now we are on my desktop. Open up your browser and type HUAWEI Cloud, just like that. Now select HUAWEI Mobile Cloud. Also, you need to log in using your HUAWEI ID. And now click on Find Device. And in here we have our HUAWEI MatePad. Now to remotely erase this device, click on Erase All Data, and now you need to click on Continue. In here you can read on the screen what will happen. So this device will be restored to factory settings, and all data, including on the memory card, will be permanently deleted. You'll still be able to locate this device when it's online, however you won't be able to play a sound or erase data again. You'll be required to enter your ID password to use the device again. So that's the three things that we need to have in mind when we want to reset this device using this method. So now all you need to do is to click on Continue and then follow the instruction on the screen. Okay, so that is the first method that we can use, but also we can use our device in this method, in the second method. We can erase the data and perform a factory reset through the recovery mode. As you can see, the PIN is enabled, we don't remember the password, and what to do. We need to enter the recovery mode, and thanks to that we will be able to perform a factory reset. To enter this mode, first let's power off the device, hold the power button for a few seconds, and select power off. Just like that. Now we need to hold the power button and volume up button at the same time until the recovery mode launches. So keep holding both of the buttons. Okay, and now we are in the recovery mode. Now we need to select clear data. Now factory reset. Now we need to type the word yes using our keyboard right in here, and now click on factory reset. Now the process will start. Okay, now click on back, select the restart, and now within a few seconds the device will be turned on automatically, and the next thing that we need to do is to set up our device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.